Kublai pi baro syakatup kubor jungi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san minta kesengi gilong, rai ban kangdam lada umla mentet lakam ya kejing sapriang kunyang jingpang COVID kat kendai. En kangi ki school ki college hanong ba nadu ka arpu arterik uyayong hadu lai terik ujimang. Bat en kang baro kidukan lai no kidukan marbam nadu ka arpun ril terik uyayong hadu arterik ujimang. Mentangin pa syaki kubor bakam banyak. Hak review meeting hini kesengi nak kaliang ke sorkar jela lapin benai ki kattu kat ni kimat bakongsan banyadai ke jingpur stat ke klam COVID kat kendai. Haba keren cikilat pathai kubor usimbut menteri ke jela uba Preston Tinsong ulai thu balarai banshim ya ka RT-PCR test ya baro ki bawan nabar ni ki bawan payeng nadu ka arpulai terik uyayong arjar arpuwei. Henry gitu ki badon ya ke certificate beklat depyo ya baro artli ki vaksin ni tika ya da COVID dan kamban test.
Jenglam jongi Chief Minister Badon Burom jongi baki barung siapo kejela megala jongi nang ne syakmat kidon kam banlek ya ka RT-PCR test kinu ki barung siapo kejela jongi ngin sim da ka RT-PCR test omdeishu da ka RAT baru sekata ngi consider yekini kibriu bawan napo North Eastern State ban bakin le da ka RAT ten rei mentang la sim karai ba ngin yat be da ka RT-PCR test but habadin ming la sim napo ka entry point ya ka RT-PCR collection ngin pha ya ki sala ki jong ki jaka ka bagi syong kisa in isolation hadu ban yo ya ka report la ki long negative ne ki long positive then ya ka jing betha ka ba khambnia nakaliang jong ka health department kan sa issue ya kita ki concern ki bawan siapo ke jela ke jong ni
Ulai thu ru baka jingdon ki bayo yu niu knyang jingpang ki long shi hajar arpwe haba khen kullum lang yeki shi spa khandai pu arngut ki badang shuyo menta kasngi bat lai ngut ki balakla no shu uloong baka jinglong jingman ha kajala kamlong ka basngan bat ban khanglat ek jing sapriang uniu knyang la khang shi sindon ye ka jingwan ki nong jungo kai shakanong ba hadu ka lai phau tarik mentau banai
ka jing keu jong kanika COVID-19 hangne hapo ka jela meglaya jongi ban ngai kwa ban pentip ba menta kasngi ka kes kapoi hadu sispa khandai phu artli but ka active cases ko total kapoi 6000 arphuai the total active cases that we have till today is 1021 and 3 deaths total active cases 1021 and the today positive cases is 192.
Hakawai pat karai usimbut menteri rangba kejela ula pentip ru ba enkang ya baro ki college pat ki school ki badon hakanong ba hadu ka lai tarik ujimang lat nyo ki tu ki school ni ki college ki balong center ban tho examen ki khenna da ka ba open chulori ki no hikai bekin betengi ki jingi kai lingba ki online classes
ba ki colleges ki badon hapo Shillong agglomeration hapo Shillong barokawai ngilarai ban khang no shuang hadu kalai terik jong une ubenai me ar hajar ar poway like no kitu ki college ki badon kanika examination center ya kita in ailat bakin pendep ya ke exam ke jongki nangta shushu ka online classes ha kitu ki colleges ki bangi ongin khang menta kan yat ko majulok but umdei tangata ki nong hikai, ki lecturers, ki teachers, kin attend ya ka duty jo ki kumbajulong normal ha kiski ki baladep.
Hakani ka meeting la rai ru ban khang ya baro ki dukan hakanong ba lat nyo ki dukan de marbam ya kani ka rai in pentrekam nadu ka arpun riu terik uyayong hadu ka arterik bujimang kat ba ye ki gym ki parlor ki jaka cups nyo ki cinema hall ki swimming pool bat ki jaka di snobha in khang nadu ka arpulai terik uyayong hadu ka lai phau terik
Kawai pat ka rai ka bingisim menta kasngi haka review meeting ka sarkar kala sim ya ka wei ka rai ba ya kitu ki dukan ki bengi ong ki non essential shops ki dukan ki bomdei ya ki tiar gitar ki bangi .com man kesngi ki bengi ong ki essential shops ngilashim ikarai banadu ka arprunuterik jong une ubenai hadu ka artrik jong ubenai mi ngin kang shua yaki barok nadu ka arprunuterik hadu ka artrik jong ubenai mi ngin kang shua yaki niki non essential shops hang ne hapo shalong barok away
Yaki office sorkar baro larai bakajingwan kinong tre shaki office tre kam dei bantam yaka lai phulai nakashispa yaka jingdon kinong tre ula kerpat ru ya baro kinong shongshnong kanong ba bekin net ai tika ya da jingpang covid ya ledi haki hospital sorkar
yaka attendance jom kinong tre sorkar ha ki department gi baper menta ngi penhiar nakashispa persen sya kalai pulai persen. Kita kirai ki pengishim menta ka janmit. Bat ka sorkar ka simru ya ka wei ka jingkerpat ka bakerpang. Na benta ki nong song snong jong ke jela borok wei. Bakin sngau bha ban ya trelang bat ka health department. Hakaba ka vaccination drive nang ne sekmat nikwa ban penyaj state katbala kenang ba kanlong sngan bat kanlong safe yaki pai ba nong song snong jong ke jela jongi barokoi
Nakaliang ke sorkar kila krenchai balada kinong shongshnong kim kit kya bani trelang bani dai ke jing sapriang uniu knyang balada kim la ban te la kam ye ke jing priang uniu knyang jingpang kim ban se ban penjari biang ye ke jing khangdam ha kanong ba bat ke jela hi barokawai
happen next 24 hours. Let us wait and see for that, and then we will take a call. That's what I'm saying. I'm just alarming everybody now. If the situation is out of control, there is no way out but to impose lockdown.
Umentri rangba ke jela ukon rat ki sangma ulap long ye ke jingwa jingtip halor ke jinglong jingman jong knyang jingpang corona hapo ke jela Umentri rangba ule ekani lingba ke video conference bat ki deputy commissioner jong ki district beper bat ki he sorkar jong ka tanat ka koi ka khya hak bai kren bat kini ki he sorkar umentri rangba konrat ki sangma ulapen pau ye ke jing sau khya ka bajur halor ke jingkiu jong knyang jingpang corona kat banang mi kisngi Ula ongru bade bante lakam ye uniu knyang jingpang hakapor ka babiang. Umentri rangba ula ong baka sorkar ya minta kam don jingtmu ban pentri kam ye ka jingkhang ye kalikawan kayat kayeng bade ka tri ka kta jing kipat pa hapo ka jela. Henry kan shimpat ye kiwe kilat hakaba nla ban kintiu ye kayo ka kot hakaba kipat pa ru kinyo ye ka jingkwat jingkhya.
You see the situation that we are facing right now throughout the state and throughout the country is indeed very alarming. And the number at which and the pace at which things are growing is very, very high. So therefore, we need to act right now. The two most important things to do for the state and for the people is number one, obviously maintain the behavioral change and the protocols. And number two is to take the vaccination. I want to assure and give the confidence to all our citizens that it is very safe. I have taken the injection first shot myself, and almost close to 1.5 lakh people in the state have taken, and there have been no reports of any kind of reaction to the vaccination that's there. So therefore it's absolutely safe. And at the same time, we have also got reports that the vaccination has actually helped in protecting the people. So therefore, I sincerely urge everybody to come out and go to the closest center, vaccination center, and get their vaccination. Number two, it is very critical for us to ensure that we do it in a time-bound manner. The vaccination program requires us to complete the 45 years and above at the earliest. We have close to 6.5 lakh people in the state who are above the age of 45. So therefore, the target is not very big. And we have discussed this since yesterday, and we are determined to finish all the 6.5.
Ukertong kasing Sanhima Sima National People's Party Urakesh A Sangma Ula Shajir Ushonk Nor Bathamai Jonka Ying Dorbar Garo Hills Autonomous District Council Minta Kasngi Urakesh A Sangma Ula Job Persha Ukertong Jonka Sing Congress Dakabatam Tang Sao Vote Urakesh A Sangma Ula Yok Kur Khandriu Vote Katba Ukertong Kasing Congress Ucherak Mumin Ula Yok Khat Ar Vote Haka Ying Dorbar Kabalai Pongut Kirkhot ke ying dorbar ha ka jingkren ka jongki kilayro iu shongkonor bathamai ubala kloy ban shim ye kani kelengkor ka bakhya ban penyat ye ke ying dorbar. Kila kenturu ye u bo on ompet shiliang khmat yenu la kalong na ka ying sinchar lani na ka liang persya ke NPP kala ban chna ya ke executive committee bathamai jong ka council hadin bakalayo e ka jingkarsha na laingut ki kertong shimet but uwei udukhot jong ka Garo National Council. Bat da kitu ki khobor ngilapoi syakabukut tat haduk banginde shimbiang keblai shibon.